Yan. So, ito yung parang pinaka-design nila. So, actually, ang Japan kasi, there are two religion, Shintoism and Buddhism. And mostly, Shintoism yung mas malaking percent ng yan. So, from the top, ito yung view namin. Yan, yung anak ko. Bumaba na siya. Yan. Ang ganda ng view, guys, oh. Fall na dito eh. It's autumn season in Japan. And nag-yellow na yung mga leaves. And they're starting to fall. Yan ang typical view ng isang Japanese park. Particularly maganda yung park dito. Yan, park with different views. Yan. So dito, guys, ang makikita mo is usually mga dahon lang, ganun. Walang basura. Kasi I think every week, mayroon ditong mga naglilibot na mga oldies na binabayaran din ng government. Nagpa-part-time sila, arabaito sila. Means part-time to clean the park. And all they need to do is not to pick up the litter because I think it's about only 5% kung iipunin mo yung mga basura dito. But they are particularly cleaning the garbage from the convenience store, from the vending machine. So, yun lang yung kinukuha nila kasi syempre maraming vending machine dito sa Japan. And yung mga basura, yung mga pinag-inuman, mga dilata, ganon, tinatapon ng mga tao sa mismong garbage na katabi ng vending machine. So, ang basura lang is mismong yun lang yun. Okay. And from above,